Welcome back to Educator.com. Today's course is on strings. What are strings? They're a sequence of one or more characters representing human language. A string object holds and manipulates an arbitrary sequence of bytes, typically characters. You could think of the string. It's not essentially holding just a single character. These bytes could be a Unicode format that uses a different size. That's how come they think of it as a sequence of bytes. And why do you want to get familiar with strings? You'll work with strings often in your development, especially with programming, and manipulating strings should be your top priority. So the first thing we're going to talk about is string creation. There's the constructor new. We've gone through it in an earlier lesson, but let's do a quick review. We have this method new. It's part of the string object. What it'll do is it'll create a new string object. Very simple. You call string.new, and it'll make this your double-quoted string there. It'll save that. It'll instantiate that into the string as an object reference. The next thing we're looking at is this empty method. What this does is it returns true if a string has a length of 0. So you see here we have the string.empty. Because there's no digits in here, it's a length of 0, it returns true. The next two methods we're looking at is length and size. Both of them do the exact same thing. They're just a different way to say it. You see I have a strength.size, strength.length. Both of them, for our case, with the string equals quote quote has a size of 0. What it does is it returns an integer that indicates how many characters are in it. So yeah, if I have two characters in it, like let me show you, of A, B, this would have a, if I call string.size on this would be 2. A, B, C, this would return 3. So let's look at some examples. I call string.new here, and here's my new string. I'm using the constructor method here, and if I call the .empty, it's going to return false. You notice it does have characters in here. It is not a size of 0, so it's not equal to 0. And you can call string.size too. You notice it has a size of 21 characters in here. Another way you can create your string is through the kernel method. We went through it before. Again, you just call with a capital S string, and in parentheses you put in their string to create. And this will create the same string object that we did with the constructor here. Another way is probably the most basic, the easiest, that the most popular way you'll do it too is with the assignment operator. Here it is, string equals with double quotes, and string equals with single quotes. Here's my new string. The next thing we're going to look at is string manipulation.